Hi. All right, we are going to continue with some telling time, but I would like you to have your packet, your clock you may want, might help you with it, and a pencil and eraser. We're going to be starting on page 183 today. So on this page, you're going to notice it's going to be having us do the time to the 5-minute mark. And remember, all of those larger numbers are each of a 5-minute mark. So if the 12 is 0, we said this yesterday, if 1 is 5, 2 is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 minutes in an hour. So the first thing, and then we're going to have to be able to say the time in two ways, before and after the hour, or after and before. So first I say, write down right here on your paper the time that it says. So the hour hand is between the 12 and the 1. So it's still in 12's yard. So it's 12 and then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So 45 minutes after 12 is how you would say the after. 45 minutes, so I took that 45, put it here, after 12. So that's the easy one because the number's already done for you once you've written the time in a digital way. The next way is you're going to think, okay, how many more minutes do I have to go until the next hour? So if I go from here, if I start here, this is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So 15 minutes before it's going to be 1 o'clock. Now, I know this 15 is right because 45 plus 15 should equal 1 full hour. From 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, it's 1 full hour. So that it's gone all the way around. Okay? All right, so this one here, number 2, our hand is in the 2's yard, and it's 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes after. So it's 2:20. And I just take this, I'm going to put the 20 in front, and the 2 is the hour. So 20 minutes after 2. I have how many minutes until it's going to be 3 o'clock? So 20 plus how many more minutes is 60 is 40 minutes. So 40 minutes before 3 o'clock because 20 plus 40 equals 60. The next one, the hour is in the 5 yard, and the minutes is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 minutes. So 5:40. So it's going to be 40 minutes after 5. And there's going to be 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes left. And we know that 40 plus 20 is 60. So that's right. So 20 minutes before 6 o'clock. Your job is to finish these 6 problems here. You will also have an assignment that is not paper today. So I'm going to show you what that is. You're going to go to the site called iknowit.com. It's right here. And you're going to use the class code PLEBUCKS. That's us. You'll have your normal username. So the first 4 letters of your last name with the first 3 of your first name plus the number 29. And then your lunch code twice to get in. Then you're going to do the assignment that I already assigned to you. And it has to do with telling time to the 5-minute mark. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. I'm going in as a pretend student. The class code, PLEBUCKS. Username. And lunch code twice. Going in. Okay, so I'm in now. And you'll see, I'm going to save that. So if I do another one, this is your assigned lesson will be right here. It'll be up there until the lesson is complete. And it will let me know when you do finish and how you did. You need to get, I think you're going to have 20 questions, and I think you have to get most of them right for you to pass this. Otherwise, it'll keep making you do it. So, all right. So I'm just going to do a couple for you just to show you what this is like. Here it is, the shorter hand is the hour hand. It is in the 3's yard, so it's 3. And the colon sign, if you're on your computer, you want to hit the shift bar and press the colon sign. And it's at the halfway mark, so it's 3:30. And then I hit submit. That's good tap dancer. Nice. Got the first one right. Which clock shows 3:55? Well, this is in the 3 yard. This is in the 3 yard, and so is that. So we need to find the one that's 55 minutes after the hour. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Nailed it. So I'm going with that one. Submit. Oh, yeah. All right. What time is shown on the clock? Well, it looks like it's still in the 5's yard here because it's still a little before the 6, right? And then we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So 5:55. Do you want to see what happens if you get it wrong? Well, first, let's see if I get it right. Then we'll do the next one wrong. Nice. Drag the clock to match the time shown. So I'm just going to do it opposite and see what happens when it's wrong. So it shows you what you did wrong. So I can redisplay the question, and then it shows me what I did. All right. So it explains to you about the hands. So if you get something wrong, look down at this part, and it gives you an idea of what you did wrong and why it's wrong. So you don't get any more wrong like that. All right. You're going to keep doing it until you hit all 20 of them. Have fun with this new site. I'm hoping you do well.